Yazan, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We got a really great recipe today. We have something for everyone, something that you can get access to at your local supermarket. Some really simple ingredients to make something really delicious, right, Hiro?
Yeah.
Okay, what are we making today?
So, kind of stir-fried noodle.
Okay.
It's kind of between yakisoba and the pad thai, kind of between mixed kind of idea.
Okay.
And everything, of course, from the local supermarket.
Okay, let's show everyone what we have here.
The main ingredients are actually this one, ramen noodle.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an instant one, you know. And I choose the filet mignon today, but you can use the New York strip or ribeye, or they have for the stew. You can choose a different type of the meats. And I have a white onion here, red pepper, scallion, cilantro, bean sprout. And then for the seasoning, this is a salt and black pepper mix already in the one jar. So I'm gonna use the salt and pepper, and the hoisin sauce, and here's a dried garlic, and here's a dried onion. And I'm gonna use a little bit of sriracha, vegetable oil.
Okay. Very simple, right?
Very simple.
Okay, Hiro, what's the first step?
First step, we're gonna do let's do vegetable, cut vegetable.
Okay.
And the meats, right?
Very good.
Onion.
Okay.
This one I'm already washed already. Anyway, by the way,
Well, you're gonna stir fry, so do you even have to wash it?
already.
Yeah. A lot of comments are always concerned about the scallions not being washed.
Yeah, so people always.
It's something that triggers everyone for some
So I
reason.
just washed already in the beginning
Yep.
before I start. Okay, onions, red pepper. Red pepper here.
This was again like $20.50 a pound. Expensive. Again, what Hiro mentioned earlier, you don't necessarily need to use filet mignon. It's gonna be very tender, but choose something else. Something with more marbling if you like, more flavor.
Use maybe wagyu.
Yeah, Wagyu would be great. We need to do that, Hiro.
Wagyu beef stir
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, I want it straight Wagyu sushi. You know. Then I'm gonna cut to today like a how they call this one, julienne? Not julienne. It's a little bit bigger. But okay, next step, cook noodle. The water start boiling. Yeah, put this one.
Now, how long do you leave it in here for, Hiro?
Same as like a noodle, but a little bit. How to say? Not
softer or
not too
firmer?
soft. Not too soft. A little
Okay.
bit firm. For stir fry. So.
Because you still have to stir fry it some more. If it's too soft, it may break apart, right?
Yeah. After this, and I'm gonna strain out anyway.
Okay,
So
very good.
let's go to strain out. I'm gonna quick wash a little bit.
Okay. That's the rice cooker, by the way. That's for the next
that's our
recipe.
next recipe.
So I'm going to put the stopwatch in Hiro just to see how long it takes to cook everything here.
Oh, really?
I mean, there's no rush at all. Just want to show everyone after you get everything so prepared, how easy and how short it takes to do everything. Okay, Hiro?
Okay.
So you tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, just pan getting hot and ready to
Okay.
go. So.
Now you saw everything to prepare this was probably about 5 minutes or so.
Right.
Really nothing at all.
Okay. I got
Ready?
it. Yep.
Okay, begin, Hiro.
Right. I put oil first.
Okay.
The onions. Pepper. continue. Salt and pepper.
Okay. Now the beef you wanted to cook, how well do you want it to cook?
It's almost all the way cooked. But if you want a little bit of medium rare, of course you can adjust on it.
Okay.
Yeah. A little bit of bean sprout. And then the noodle. I'm gonna make it one by one, okay?
Okay.
I mean, for the one person portion first. Cilantro a little bit. Now I'm gonna add the hoisin sauce.
Okay.
About 2 tablespoons. A little bit of sriracha for making a little bit spicy. And the garlic, dry garlic, for just half of that. That's it.
Oh, that was it? Look what time it is. 3.5 minutes.
Okay, that's good.
That's what it took. And you've got a delicious cooked meal here. With ramen, that was about 50 cents a pack. Of course, the filet mignon was a little nicer. Use about a quarter pound there, so that was about $5.
You can use the chicken too.
Yeah, it's true. Chicken,
Chicken,
right?
pork with
Chicken
more
or pork, right?
reasonable price too. The first dry onion on the top a little bit.
Oh, that's really wonderful.
A little bit more fresh cilantro on the top a little bit. And the bean sprouts. Okay, that's it.
Wow, you 3.5 minutes. 5 minutes to prep, 3.5 to cook, and you're done. You know, who's gonna wash the dishes? That's the only thing. Well, that looks fantastic, Hiro. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, if you like these kind of recipes, let us know. Comment below, give it a like, share it, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you very, very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, Hiro-san, to the best part, of course, is delicious ramen cooking. Ramen beef.
A little bit
Stir-fry.
difficult to explain about what exactly
Yes,
called for this one.
but so simple.
Yeah, we use the ramen noodle. It's kind of yakisoba, and also what they call the pad thai. Pad thai is of course very different from the pad thai, far from pad thai, but it's kind of mixed.
Enjoy.
Yeah, try. Yes.
Got a little sweetness from the hoisin, a little spicy from the sriracha. How's it? Good stuff, huh? Good and easy.
That's very good.
That's the whole thing. Be able to share some easy recipes with everyone. That way you can try it at home. And 3.5 minutes of cooking time is unbelievable for a meal.
It's a little bit sweet from the hoisin sauce, but I add the sriracha, so after you can feel a little bit spicy.
Nice. Sounds great. Can't wait to try it.
Yeah, very good.
Nice.
Yeah, of course, garlic is kind of nice flavor.
Enjoy, Hiro. See you soon.
See you soon.